Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. So the truth is out now about the Igwe in Eastern Cape, Igwe in Dibuna South. Jolofinas are exposing them, thinking they are fighting for them. Let's listen to them.
What needs to happen to East London is all that land must be managed by us Nigerians, the rightful owners of Eastern Cape. We need to bring more Nigerians to come live here, like over hundreds of thousands of people. This will be the way Africa unites.
East London is our land now. We are here to permanently live here with our wives under the leadership of our Igwe. We want to get more land in South Africa and bring our brothers to.
He owns taverns. Longest taverns in East London.
Not Davido, no. So why Bempaka is the king? Because of that?
No, originally he comes from a royal when I
Okay.
Igwe owns the taverns all over East London. He is one of those people we are complaining about, we are looking for. He is one of those people we are asking the government to deport them back to their country. How can a foreigner come all the way from West Africa to come and own nightclubs all over the city? He is owning a tavern, a Skeskil in South Africa. This person is one of those people who are destroying our kids. He is one of those people who are turning our kids into zombies. We've been asking the government to take these people out of our country, but they refused. Here is the truth from the Jolofina, thinking that she is fighting for Nigerians, but she is exposing everything. How can a person that is owning taverns all over the city be a king, be a leader of a community from another country? In fact, this person is a kingpin of whatever they are doing there in East London, in that city. That is why they want to crown him a king. Because really it doesn't make sense a person who is owning taverns. Nigerians have people they are calling pastors in this country. Even though nama pastors are kona engama fake, but they are here. Why not select one of them to be their leader? Why taking the owner of the tavern? Why choosing a person who is running taverns to be their leader, to be their king? Does it make sense? Everything these people are doing in this country is abnormal, really. Why not choosing one of those bishop, prophets, and all this that they are having in this country? At least those ones, they are disguising about the business they are doing in South Africa. This one is the owner of almost all the nightclubs in East London. But they chose him to lead them. They chose him. They chose to appoint him as a king. Yo, guys, we are in trouble.
Him, like you never basuke papa bazokwenza isiko labo apha doesn't affect us. Now the economy now just they should have just notify kind of bavele bazenze yebo.
So uthi ima so uthi ebesenza iceremony yakhe yapha nothi yalapha.
It's not like ubekwa njenge king here South Africa, no. King yamle Nigerians East London.
Oh, window yakubo.
Bane committees abantu. First of all, mhlawumbe kusuke eyangapha eking leyase eJoburg bathibane benza iparty. I affect him lona leyo. Hayi mina ndiyazi ba why.
So ngibani igama lakho ngSunny Boy bani?
Sunny Boy. Abizwa ngalo.
Oh. Lo muntu ebesenzwa iking. Lo. So ichisi ishop yakhe ngo.
Still king.
Abachisanga shop yakhe.
Ishop ngenaphi?
Oh.
That's the name of the king. He is Sunny Boy, the owner of almost all the taverns in the city of East London.
Because I am king.
Which is the fact remains.
King. It happened right our noses. Free everything.
Kaloku ithi into nokubana how do you come into a new place indawo ongazange wafika kuyo, like ungazalwanga kuyo, then ube sikanti so king apha, like it doesn't make sense.
Akayo king apha lam.
But I think also mhlawumbe abantu didn't understand.
They didn't understand. They should have understood the process of being. Sakuvele umuntu uthathwe nje umuntu azokwenza king apha. Lamlo wana here to be mhlawumbe aqale be principal, azoba chief ngoku uzoba king because abantu bane njengabezulu aba ba professor.
Did you hear that? He is a king. Ayikho into ezoshintsha. Nothing will change. He is a king already and nothing will change. According to Ejolofina, they were there on that coronation. They know everything. And this lady is telling us the truth, that this person is a king. Not all these lies they are telling us, no, it's just our tradition. They were crowning a king there. And we know the truth. Videos are there. We listen to those people who were there to crown him. It's so disappointing. It's very disappointing because really. So guys, there's a statement. This statement was released by a Xhosa queen from East London, from Eastern Cape, where there was a protest. The queen is very angry that AmaZulu came to destroy in Eastern Cape. LamaZulu asiqala kakubi ngoku. Ndiyaphinda asizoboniswa ngabo how to deal with our issues. Jacinta Ngobese Zuma noNgizwe Mchunu niyafana nezi Nigerians that disrespect us Xhosa people. We are not violent people like you. We love our city. And even during the 2021 South African unrest, mass looting, we were not stupid by not participating. Oscar Mabuyane neCOGTA Eastern Cape noko masingaqheleki. Nkosi, Advocate Mwelo Nonkonyane, please deal with those who came to destroy our city and disrespect our customs and traditions. My silence is respecting the royal house to follow protocols and our process. Otherwise, isifuba sigcwele ndisanika nje ikomkhulu nabadala imbeko. So the queen is very angry at AmaZulu who came to Eastern Cape to join them, to help them to fight this illegality eyenziwa ama-Nigerians in their town, in their land. So the queen is angry, telling Jacinta Ngobese Zuma and Ngizwe Mchunu ukuthi they are the same. They are not different from these Nigerians who are disrespecting them in their own land. That is what the queen is saying here, and she is even pleading with the Advocate Mwelo Mangonyane to please deal with those who came to destroy our city. So guys, please let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video.